Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you on how to check if your Snapchat application is public or private. And all you have to do is to launch the Snapchat application. We're going to tap on our chats. From there, you're going to tap on your profile. Then from there, you are going to tap on the gear icon. And then you're going to head on over to your names. As you can see, mine is just at the public profile settings. I'm going to tap on it. You're going to edit your profile. You're going to edit your manage public story, your notification, access, support, if you're okay. Or let's say, for example, you see that the settings that you've actually done are not pleasing to you. You can just clear your public profile. Another thing is to go back, going to get the contact me. Whether you're going to choose friends and contacts or friends, you can go back again and even edit view my story. From there, you can choose friends only or custom only. What we should remember is that once we log into your account, it will give us an option whether we would our Snapchat account to be public or private. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.